How to use Canva AI tools on PC. This tutorial shows you the main AI features Canva has built in and how to access them by following these steps. First, open your browser, go to canva.com, and sign into your account. From there, create a new design or open an existing one. Once you're inside the editor, look at the left sidebar and click on Apps. After that, use the search bar at the top of the Apps panel to find any AI tool you want to use. From here, let's go through the main ones worth knowing about. The first is Magic Write. Search for it in Apps, open it, and type a prompt to generate text for anything, like captions, headings, or full paragraphs directly inside your design. Following this, another useful one is Text to Image. Search for it, open it, type a description of what you want, and Canva will generate an AI image you can drop straight into your design. After that, if you want to remove the background from any image, click on the image inside your design. Then click Edit Image at the top and select Background Remover from the panel that appears. From there, if you want to resize your design for a different platform, click Resize at the top of the editor. Type in the dimensions or select a preset and click Magic Switch to let Canva automatically adapt the layout. Finally, if you want AI to help you start a design from scratch, go back to the Canva homepage. Click Create a Design and look for the option to describe your design using a text prompt. That's how you use Canva AI tools on PC. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you